Corky.
You say we love you.
I love you, Corky.
And we hope your white blood cell count goes up.
Okay.
Is that hard to say?
Yeah.
Hey, Sadie, can you look up?
No, I'm not going. Well.
You're going to go play?
Super rescue giraffe.
Super Rescue Giraffe?
Super. Giraffe.
Superhero Giraffe.
That's a good one.
And what does a superhero giraffe do? He flies.
Giraffe. And a frog.
Hey, Sadie, do you want to show Aunt Courtney your trick?
Yeah.
Let's show her your trick. Is that the trick? What about your trick where you go upside down? I thought that was really funny. That was a silly trick. Can you do it again?
You go upside down.
You go upside down.
No, Daddy goes upside down.
Daddy goes upside down.
You go upside down. You go upside down, Daddy. Go ahead.
Woohoo! Can you do it? What?
I want you to make a test. I want you to make a
All right, Sadie, we're going to say bye-bye, Aunt Courtney. Can you say bye?
Bye, Corky.
Yeah.
Courtney.
Do you want to say anything else?
Giraffe, say bye-bye.
Okay, go ahead, Giraffe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We love you.
Love you.